Issa Pizza is unique. The service we cater to the community and the effort we make in delivering those quality points that we promise to customers. At Issa Pizza, we started about December 2022. And the community has been very supportive, and we've been doing well so far. So when I found out that I was selected for the grant by the Progress Project, this was just an amazing feeling. I went to bed that night and I was like, wow, things are definitely happening for Issa Pizza. The renovations and equipment that the Progress Project is helping us get is just amazing. And we are even looking into, expanding just into a sub-line that could almost give us a 25% growth on our business. And it'll bring a set of customers just for lunch business. But this, would give us an opportunity to make sandwiches faster. Don't have to wait 10 minutes for a sub. Now we could have it in about 2 minutes. Diversification is important for every business. So this is just an amazing, opportunity for Issa Pizza to grow and help our community grow as well. And they did an amazing job. They value their community and they are doing their part to support local business like mine. We thank them for that.